Hi, I'm Tawila. I've been lashing for 3 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about all things lash spikes. A lash spike is basically just a closed fan. The most popular styles that you see spikes in are going to be that open eye or the length across look. You don't normally see them in the cat eye just because those high points of the spikes do break up the elongated look that the cat eye normally is giving. So for example, if you're adding spikes into a set, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what a spike might look like. I'm going to show you this high point and I'm going to isolate it out for you. So you can see that this little spike right here is way higher than any of the overall depth throughout this lash. So this would be a spike, and it would be nice to add in those little high points. And when you're adding a spike, you want to keep in mind that you want to make sure that the overall length is about 3 millimeters longer than the depth throughout, because you want to make sure that it's distinguished that it is a high point and it is a spike. There's 2 different techniques that I like to use when I'm adding spikes into my lash sets. The first technique you can use is the peel off method. You're going to peel it straight off the strip the same way you would when you're making a fan. And rather than fanning it out, you're going to keep it together. So you're going to pop it in the glue and you're going to use that glue to help snatch down that base. Even though you're putting a spike on, you want to make sure that that base is super snatched the same way a regular fan would be on the natural lash. The second technique you can use is pretty similar, just you're going to use saline to help define the spike itself on the strip, and then you're going to peel it straight toward you the same way and use that glue to seal up the bottom base as well. By adding spikes onto your service list, you are creating custom styles. The extra time, technique, and stress is worth the extra value, so don't give spikes away for free. If you want to learn more about spikes and other styling techniques, you can find the full step-by-step course at livbaysupplies.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brought a ton of value to you. A question for you is, have you ever added spikes to your lash looks? Leave your answers in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.